Abu Hurairah narrated that the Prophet Muhammad (PBUH) said, Allah created Adam from dust after he mixed the clay and left him for some time until it became sticky mud, after which Allah shaped him. After that Allah left him till it became like potter's clay. Iblis used to go past him saying, "You have been created for a great purpose." After that Allah breathed his spirit into him. The first thing into which the spirit passed was his eye and then his nose. He sneezed. Allah said, "May your Lord have mercy upon you, O Adam. Go to those angels and see what they would say." So Adam went and greeted them. They replied saying, "Peace be upon you and the mercy and blessings of Allah." Allah said, "O Adam, this is your greeting and that of your offspring." Sahih al-Bukhari. www.islambasics.com. Adam's progeny except Allah. Allah the Almighty revealed, "Remember when your Lord brought forth from the children of Adam, from their loins, their seed, or from Adam's loin his offspring, and made them testify as to themselves, saying, 'Am I not your Lord?' They said, 'Yes. We testify lest you should say on the day of resurrection, verily we have been unaware of this.' Or lest you should say, 'It was only our father aforetime who took others as